What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another YouTube video with my bird. And today I'm gonna have it on him, and we haven't already met him already. His name is Scar. He's my lovely little bird. I love him with all my soul. And guys, he's a part of the Duck Army now. And even though he has his wings clipped, he has the flag. It's like a chicken. On? No. On. 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 My bird is so stubborn. Come here. Did he shit on my bed? He shat on my bed. Come on. On. He's so stubborn. He's so stubborn. Come here. Get on. Get on. Get on. Nope. That weighs off the bed. Come on. Get on. So he's a little stubborn bird. Ready? But when I put my hand away, he puts up his hair. Put my hand here. His hair goes down. He's a cute little birdie. I love him. Oh yeah! He's a good little bird. Okay guys, so that's going to be it today, and peace!